Good morning everyone who are presented here. I am Jigya Nancy, student of Standard 9, and today I am present over here to spoke something about Indian culture and tradition. But first of all, I would like to thanks to our school who had been given me an opportunity to spread my thoughts throughout my words. So, culture reflects a nation, and our nation's culture has always been an inspiration to everyone. In one or another, culture enriches the soul of every nation. Culture is defined as backbone of every nation. Now, coming on what I want to say is that India, a nation with vibrant and distinctive traditional practices, which has always been popular for the custom of hospitality. Now, Indian culture and tradition is popular all over the world. So, as in our culture, we follow the concept of Atithi Devo Bhava and treat our guests as equivalent to God. Even since the time of Mauryas, this concept has been followed by us. And as a result of occurring of many dynasties in our nation, we are abundant in cultural diversity. And it was also said by Stephen R. Covey that strength lies in differences, not in similarities. Culture and tradition are the features that distinguish a nation. So, the culture and tradition distinguish a nation. Culture of a nation is never a separate entity. Each and every citizen living in a nation will have traces of it in them. And after all, India is not just about saying Namaste in our greeting or touching the feet of our elders. It is in our culture to honor the spiritual roots and to consider everybody equal and treated with kindness. Not only this, even with a great diversity, India is not just a country, but a home for everyone all across the world. And at last, I would like to say a quote said by Raymond Page, which was, "Waking up in India is like waking up to life itself." I would like to repeat this. Waking up in India is like waking up to life itself. Thank you. Have a nice day.